नमस्कार. Today we will doing the process of acquisition, अधिग्रहण की प्रक्रिया. Let's see what we have done in the last class. Okay. Both givers and takers are often unable to resolve important areas of ambiguity because of their complete agreement. समझौते को पूरा करने से पहले देने वाले और लेने वाले दोनों अक्सर अस्पष्टता के महत्वपूर्ण क्षेत्रों को हल करने में असमर्थ होते हैं. Means what we have already learned in the last class is that the giver and the taker, means the teachers and the students, both are often unable to resolve, means they are not able to resolve the problems they are facing during the class. Okay. Important areas of ambiguity before the complete of the agreement. Whatever the agreement may be that we have to complete our portion within 6 months, like right now. So maybe we are not able to finish the portion due to some unavoidable circumstances or something else. Maybe students are not able to come or the teachers are not able to complete due to short period and the portion is too much. So whatever be the cause, that is different thing, but there are some times like this that the each and everyone, means the student and the teachers, means the giver and the taker, are not able to resolve the problem. At the same time they are not able to finish the portion also, complete the desired thing also as per the agreement. Okay. Now these factors may crop up in the planning for an acquisition, which may be over a protected period or during negotiations which are likely to be rushed. ये कारक अधिग्रहण की योजना में फसल ले सकते हैं जो लंबी अवधि के लिए या बातचीत के दौरान हो सकता है, जो जल्दी होने की संभावना है. Means here we are talking about the givers and the takers, means the student and the teachers. Those maybe during this time, maybe they are not able to, according to the planned process, they are not able to solve the problem, whatever be the reason is. Here we are not concerning about the reasons, but due to some problem they are not able to fulfill that, which may be over a protected period. It can be for a protected period, means suppose the problem arises right now and it should be solved within a period of time, otherwise it will linger and have a big problem. But due to some circumstances we are not able to fulfill that, or we are not able to solve the problems. So what will happen? Or during negotiation also, maybe during that protected period, means that 6 months span time, we are not able to solve the problem. The problem lingered and it took more than 6 months, means the one semester has gone and the problem didn't solved. Okay. So what will happen? Or maybe we have some negotiation also during this period, but what is the reason, what will be the solving thing, how we will solve that? The problem should be solved, otherwise it will create a huge big problem. Okay. Which are likely to be rushed. At the same time we need to fulfill the desired thing in a very short span or in a hurry. Okay. Otherwise the whatever here is the acquisition is, means the during this acquisition we won't be able to resolve, then there will be a big problem. Of course, the principal parties to an acquisition cannot always control the negotiating process or its timing. It is also seen that the principal parties, means the management or the teachers, are the principal parties. Okay. So maybe the teachers or the management is not able to resolve the problem within a span of time. So, and the acquisition cannot be controlled. Okay. So whatever the problem is, the problem remains the same. Okay. Sometimes it happens like that. Okay. And the negotiating process or its timing, means the timing, whatever we have already talked about, the timing may be a long period, very long period. Maybe we are not able to resolve it anyway, maybe it took 1 year to complete that, or maybe to analyze and then to see it took a long period which should be reduced, and we should have a small span of time to reduce. Otherwise, we have already seen that it will have a big problem. Okay, so the negotiation process or the timing should be very short. Okay, but it by fluke it doesn't happens like that. Okay, thank you.